Back again on Dumbat Boy Entertainment.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We are about 30 minutes out from... Ty doesn't know it yet, but I'm buying him a car. So we're gonna... Now, we are going to pick up a new car. If you guys follow on the socials, whether it's mine or Ty's, you'll see the Chaser is sold. We didn't get much content for having the car on the channel. It was more so rushed in certain points, and then just over time, things that I don't know.
I wanted to get the car done. The filming could wait.
So, plan was not to sell the car, but homie that originally had the shell way back was in contact with Tyler, and they made a deal. So about 4 days ago, the car left, and now we are on our way to XAT Racing. Shout out Andrew and Lonnie. We're gonna get there. We'll show you guys the car. We will show you guys the shop. Maybe get some ride-alongs and stuff with some of the cool cars they have there. You know, the whole shebang. And well, have a new car in the fleet today. So I know I'm excited. Ty's excited. So come along for the ride, and hopefully you guys enjoy this new build process. I promise there's going to be a lot of good content on this one.
I'll make sure we get some content on my new car. Which one of these fine and dandy young candidates are we ending up with today? Come on, man. Listen, I think I'm more hyped than Tyler is.
Probably just buy out the facility, but just kidding. That thing's sick though. I like that.
Come on, man. Well, we're gonna talk to the boys real quick, and then we'll give you guys a quick rundown of what we got going on here. Nav was an option that we didn't know if it had or not. Kind of anticipated it, didn't want
Luckily,
it, but
nav works. A lot of these cars, the nav doesn't work, and half the controls don't work. All of them work, and I didn't know these cars have a disc player. So we could still, I believe, slap a head unit in there.
oh yeah.
But we'll have to see. I know you guys see the trim, first of all. Well, y'all ain't never seen that trim option before.
Oh, okay, so we didn't tell you guys. This is the Crown.
This is a 99 JZS 171 Crown Athlete V. 1JZ Turbski, and we're about to probably top it out mile per hour wise. Just kidding. We're about to go on a little cruisington.
Dude, this thing feels good, bro.
Wait. Do I got paddles on this motherfucker right here? Down?
Yeah, and ups are on the back.
Build auto.
Come on, bro. Look, swinging AC vents. We'll go over all the cool little trim and stuff later, but gonna take it for...
Don't get nervous. Nah, he did say there were a couple little... Don't get pumper nipples started.
Now, this thing is very cool. Bro, I love how big it feels. But what's weird is the dash.
I missed about the whip, bro. The interior size. Like, look how small I look. In the Chaser, I felt like I was like this. This thing is so... And this dash just makes it seem like a newer car.
Bro,
like none of
I will
the
say,
got like a setup.
The
like
dash
that.
is way higher than I thought. Like, the way it just, like...
I agree. Well,
comes up.
These cars aren't that small. This car is a little bit bigger than the 155. They're
Oh, for sure. For sure. This thing. Factory option doilies.
Oh, yeah.
Come on, man.
Oh, yeah.
Put the 2 or manual? There you go.
Yeah, but what?
And then you get paddles.
Oh, fuck. Wait, am I in one right now?
Yeah, you're good. Remember, ups on the back.
Shit, I'm definitely not in one.
Bro, that was 60.
What?
That was 60.
What do you mean?
120 kilometers.
Yeah. No. I was just like, I'm still in drive, brother. I'm not in fucking... Oh, there we go. I needed a downshift out of it. There.
Ah.
Wait, now. They have paddles in the 99 in my damn Crown. Man, I'm finna be flexing on all of you boys, man. Fucking when I got my damn Wait. Oh, down's on the back. I upshifted. Down. Look, downshift. Downshift. Ooh!
All right, put it in one.
Downshift again.
This thing get down, bro. This shit faster than the chaser. 100%. 100%.
No, come on, man.
This thing drives smooth, dude.
It is.
Not gonna lie. AC.
You hype, bro has not seemed hype all day. Now he's hyped that he's driving the car.
Nah, bro. You know what you gotta do? Y'all fellers gotta understand. Always expect the worst. Sorry to tell you. Everyone gets hyped about buying a new car, goes and sees it, and it's a fucking shit box. I didn't think it was a shit box, but can't get too hyped, man. Can't get too hyped. Stay immediate. Stay immediate. Go, I'm hyped to get this car, but I'm not jizzing yet. And then once you get here,
When you leave.
or when you leave, let the load rip. Let the load rip. Dude, look at this wheel. It's got the marble trim on the wheel.
No, that's sauce.
Goes insane with the patties. Patty no melt.
Turn it low.
Stay kind of song.
Bro, reverse, bro.
I'm in neutral. You made me go in neutral. Turn that fucking. Understand what's so funny.
You just reverse it as Mozart, bro. All right, let's hear it. Let's make it. What you got in your hand, man? What you got in your hand, bud? Listen, we are legal. We are bought. We are ready to rip.
First I Yo, who does detailing that isn't gonna fucking tax me out the ass? Cause this thing with a detail would go dumb.
Oh yeah, the swirl marks on this is,
It's crazy.
but impacted on. You're crazy.
This is his plate and his tool. Yeah, so
Yo, am I good brother or not?
you're a good boy. You're a good kitten.
All right, so we are finished up at XAT Racing down here in Sarasota. Huge shout out to these guys. They've helped us with all of our crown stuff, as well as any info needed, and been more than happy to help. All of the turbo kit stuff that we did on the 155 for when Tyler owned it, it was a XAT kit. You guys can buy that down below. I'll drop the link down below if you guys are interested in that. They also make some dual caliper stuff, some manual swap stuff. They make a bunch of cool parts for it, as well as having some super sick imports in stock. So you can get yourself another Athlete V. You guys can get yourself a 155. You want to drop a JZ in it, or turbo JZ in it, or just add a kit yourself. They got some Centuries. Obviously, they got that Altezza over there. But man, they are stacked up, and they are your boys to come and talk to and get something for. So with the Chaser being gone, Ty was looking for, if he was going to sell the Chaser, he wanted a 171. And I knew that Andrew had it for sale, so hit him up last week and said, hey, if this Chaser goes through, we want to come buy it. Hooked us up, and well, we couldn't be any happier. So maybe you guys can see a little bit the green black. This color is beautiful. I'm usually not a off color guy. Like, I either want it green or I want it black, but this thing looks sick. That looks black in the sun. That looks green. So we'll go over some parts, some plans, and some other stuff in a bit. I think Andrew said that we're gonna go get to rip on the big turbo 2J155 Crown here in a couple, so I'm very excited for that. And then we will hop on the road. I think we're gonna go see some homies in St. Pete on the way back up, and then, you know, we gotta go get some video and stuff tonight. So very excited. Ty's very excited.
Seen this?
Shit. Oh. Shit. A wallet, man? Ain't got no monies in it after this.
Stop that.
It's T56.
Yeah, with the long gear ratio, so I got.
Toyota Crown. Can't beat it, brother.
You know what they say, can't beat it, join them.
Brother, I created them. Say my first Crown.
Oh, Tyler-san.
What the fuck? My phone is ringing.
Thing gets down.
Yeah. Scream.
Look at this TY out in the wild. Come get some pictures under the good light. Usually we pull up here and it is dark, light, and nobody here, but everybody decided to come get gas because they wanted to see it, you know what I'm saying?
Indeed. Indeed. They actually hit me up beforehand. Decided to say, hey, we heard you were going to the gas station. I was like, yeah, don't pull up though. How do you put this on? Can you like keep this on a light setting? Like a light?
Alright, boys and girls, it is the next day. Tyler boy is home with the new whip. Stay tuned for this, a little sneak peek of what we got going on here. But figured we'd come and talk about the athlete a little bit, close it out. I know you guys saw some night clips, but we didn't really get into it. So been enjoying it.
Pretty solid. Recently got super athletic. 99, she's a little dirty. 99 Toyota Crown Athlete V.
Y'all saw the interior.
What's
Y'all
the
saw
color
us drive.
called? Or what's the color called?
It's
like dark green metallic.
6 and 9.
6 and 5.
6 and 9?
9 is the chaser, I think. Something like that. Apparently, it's like a
1 of 400.
1 of 400. Pretty rare color. Didn't realize that.
There was only, I think, 10.5 Athlete V 171s made, so that's pretty sick. You got 5%, one of the 5%.
Yeah,
that's pretty sick.
Cool.
But listen, we're not gonna take this too long. You guys saw some cinematics. You saw us drive it around. You saw us at XAT. He's got some wheels in there. We'll talk about those maybe in the next vlog. He's test fit a couple. Kind of got some plans going on the route that he wants to go.
It's
some stuff is ordered.
Changed a little things up, but it's gonna be sauce. It's gonna
we're hitting you guys with a typical YouTube. You got to stay tuned.
Yeah, I don't know,
So-
because it's not finished product yet.
But definitely needs a little paint correction. Other than that, it is
Hit me
on
if I haven't got it done yet. If this video is out, please hit me up.
paint corrector.
No
guys.
hate, but nothing crazy. Don't need to be paying
12,
2 racks.
13,
Yeah,
14,
13.
8. Like battery died. We were talking
Back
shit.
again. We were yapping. No
But-
hate. Just fellas aren't made of money. Fellas sell cars and then buy cars. We're not fucking.
But listen, it's on coilovers. It's got a good start for the interior.
Tom.
Obviously,
Tom
this Tom's coilovers.
Racing.
Interior is super sick. Manual swap is going to come. That was already planned, so that's the secret. It is already 1J turbo, so that's super sick as well. It has a full exhaust, which we're gonna make a little bit louder.
It's a little quiet
Here
yeah,
soon.
it sounds pretty. Stuck.
Yeah, it's two.
It's like three fat mufflers.
But listen, other than that, it was definitely one of the first stateside. Now we're seeing a couple people starting to get them stateside, but this color, this package option, this everything is like
the dark interior, the dark green. Honestly, I've wanted a black Crown for years. I planned on, when I used to own that back in the day, I planned on painting that black. And I just honestly had the Chaser was the dark green, the 6N9. Can't go wrong with the dark green. It looks black most of the time anyway, so it was just with the dark interior, the black wood trim. Don't know if it's suede or Alcantara. I've read both on the internet, but
listen.
come on, come take a look. Come take a look.
All right. He wants you guys to stick around a bit longer. You know what
The
I'm saying?
glove box is out, but oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
All right, guys, listen up. We're gonna close it up. We're gonna finish it out here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, our little trip. Again, shout out Andrew and Lonnie from XAT. Not only hooking us up with this, making it super simple and easy, but showing us around the shop and taking us for a rip. So,
Road legal same day.
yeah, for real. And hooked us up, road legal, same day, everything. But this car is going to be a lot on the channel. It's going to be so sick. I already think this thing is sicker than my Crown, and my Crown has a lot more work done. So I'm excited to work on this thing. Stay tuned. We got some stuff already ordered, so videos coming soon, and we will catch you guys on the next one. Later.